Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase browser limit on Cash App. First, you cannot manually request a higher browser limit. Cash App increase it automatically based on how you use your account. One of the biggest way to increase your browser limit is direct deposit. When you get paycheck or income deposit in the Cash App, it shows 10 income. This can help unlock higher browser amount. Try to use Cash App often, send or receive money, pay bills, and make purchases. Active accounts are more likely to use higher browser limit. If you already have the browser feature, always pay back on time or earlier. Late payment can stop your limit from increasing. One-time payment helps build trust with Cash App. Using your Cash App card or for everyday purchase also helps. It shows constant spending and responsible account user. The most users start with a small browser limit like $20 or $50. If you use Cash App responsibly, your limit will increase over time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.